operationalization of generative AI, it's just another technology, right? So working with the IT function very closely, because there could be implications on security, there could be implications of data leaks and what information is going where and who's indexing it, because there are different patterns that are utilized to provide that value back using generative AI. So operationalization will include collaboration with your IT team, your security team, your ops team, and working closely with them to make sure that it's done in a systematic, sustainable, scalable way for the organization. So when you roll it out, there's a plan to it.
In the past, our AI products really involved just a few players, right? We needed some project management, some AI engineers, maybe a data scientist or two, and we could stand up a small POC, convert it to an MVP, and have a great pilot going. Now it's really changed. We're seeing AI being used by everyone in an organization, which means we have to scale. That requires the PMO office in an organization to be involved. It requires product strategy to be aligned. It also requires cybersecurity to weigh in. And we also have, of course, AI engineering teams. And most importantly, the data estate. The data estate has to be aligned to the strategy for AI because they are the fuel that keeps it going.
Yeah, so the popularity of a role like a chief data officer is critical to many organizations, especially with this, I'll call it transformational shift now toward generative AI, or even the use of the data assets within an organization. So it really comes down to understanding what are your data assets, how do you curate those data assets and govern them so that you can provide value to the organization. And that's what a chief data officer really focuses on, understanding how to collect, curate, manage data, govern it, create stewardship models, and also secure it, encrypt it, understand exactly where the data goes, how it's being used, and who should have access to it. All of those concerns are the areas of responsibility for a chief data officer. And that title is relatively new. It's been around for probably 5 to 8, maybe 10 years, but it's really come into the forefront of many organizations just because of this movement toward understanding how to leverage analytics, understanding how to leverage AI, understanding how to take value from your data assets.